Hey, so I'm sitting next to this Spirea here, and I'm thinking I'm gonna take it way down. It's this shrubby thing that's underneath this viburnum, and I really like the way the viburnum has multiple trunks, and I want that to be more noticeable, and these two Spirea kind of block the way. Down into and under the Spirea, you can see there's a bunch of new growth down here, and so technically I could just cut off every single branch above that and it will come back. You can even see a new stem growing straight from the root ball right there. I actually don't really like the way it looks. It gathers a bunch of leaves that are hard to get, and grass grows from under it and things like that, so I've been wanting to take it out anyway. With these types of shrubs, it's a good idea to take the branches all the way down because they branch from the spot where you cut, like up above the nodes, from the nodes above which you cut, and then branch out that way, so they become like leggy at the bottom and then have lots of branches at the top. So I'm going to cut the biggest branches first as low as possible to the ground. Right now the Spirea is leafing. I don't see any flower buds yet, but these are last year's flowers. The flowers bloom pink. But I don't like all this branchiness. It's too much and they're crumbly. Most of that is dead. And then more leaves down here. Okay, so I need to get under there and cut the branch as low as possible. Okay, so what I'm doing is cutting the branches, the big branches down all the way. If I see any branches lower with new growth, then I just kind of cut right above that. If they're dead branches, you can just break them or you can cut them out. So it's going well, but I found, and so I'm going to leave that, whatever it is. I don't know, is it a wasp? Is it stick bugs? This is what it looks like so far. I've started to just cut all the stems down because there are so many new stems growing from the ground that I think it will recover and not need the rest of it. I am leaving this one branch until I figure out what that is. But and in the meantime I'm cleaning. So I did cut a lot of branches this way so that the top one is one that's growing out just like I would a rose, but I don't know, I started just removing the branches altogether all the way to the ground instead. I'm currently sitting in a spot that would have been impossible to sit in just half an hour ago because it would have been just like this. Okay, back to the one I'm walking. There it is. Used to look like that. Now it looks like that. These little stems are the next generation of this Spirea. I'll have to do an after. There's the after. Shrub 1 and shrub 2. I left this one a little bit longer, but you can see the new shoots here. It's been raining for the last couple days and they're really happy. Look at it. Oh my goodness. You can see the trunks of this viburnum way better. Just imagine it in full bloom. Look at those buds.